Hello, and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner in taxation, compliance, and financial clarity. Today, we're talking about something critical for businesses and professionals: income tax audit. If you're running a business or practicing a profession, there's a good chance you fall under the scope of a tax audit. But don't worry, we're here to simplify it. What is a tax audit? A tax audit is an examination of your financial records by a qualified chartered accountant to ensure they align with the provisions of the Income Tax Act. The goal? Transparency, accuracy, and full compliance with tax laws. At Filings Corner, our audit services are designed to help you avoid penalties, stay legally compliant, and manage your taxes efficiently. Who needs to get a tax audit? Let's make this simple. You need a tax audit if you're a business owner, Section 44AB. Your turnover exceeds Rs 1 crore in a financial year. If turnover is up to Rs 10 crore and cash transactions don't exceed 5%, audit may not be required. If you opt for presumptive taxation under Section 44AD, but declare profits lower than 6% digital or 8% cash, and your income exceeds the exemption limit, you're a professional, Section 44ADA. Your gross receipts exceed R50 lakh in a year. Or you opt for presumptive taxation but declare less than 50% as profit and your income is above the threshold. Other special cases. Sections like 44AE, 44BB, 44BBB also apply if you're declaring profits lower than specified and income exceeds the basic exemption limit. Why is a tax audit important? Tax audit isn't just about compliance. It helps ensure accurate income and expense reporting, identify and fix errors or non-compliance in filings, verify deductions, exemptions, and tax claims, prevent tax evasion, and build a clean financial record, smoothen the process during tax scrutiny or assessments. Documents required for a tax audit. To carry out a smooth audit, you'll need financial statements, balance sheet, profit and loss, books of accounts, ledgers, cash book, journal, trial balance, tax reports, past ITRs, Form 26AS, TDS, TCS records, bank statements and invoices, details of all major transactions, depreciation schedules and investments, supporting documents, agreements, loan records, related party transactions, etc. Pro tip: the cleaner your documentation, the smoother the audit. Forms used for tax audit filing. Here's how it's reported. Form 3CA. If your business is also audited under other laws like Companies Act Form 3CB, if you're not subject to other statutory audits, Form 3CD. This is the detailed tax audit report covering key financial disclosures. We handle everything, from data collection to filing, so you stay stress-free. Tax audit deadline and penalty due date: 30th September of the assessment year, late filing penalty, Section 271B, 0.5% of turnover, up to Rs1 $50,000. So, staying on time is not just good practice, it saves you money. Benefits of choosing Filings Corner for your tax audit. When you choose Filings Corner, you're choosing accuracy, expertise, and peace of mind. Expert CA team. Specialists in income tax audits across industries. Smart tax planning. We don't just audit, we help you optimize your taxes. On-time filing. Never miss a deadline with our reminder system. Complete support. From audit prep to filing and responding to notices, digital and paperless, secure, streamlined, and fully online service. Why businesses trust Filings Corner. Years of experience, specialized team, clear communication, no hidden charges, full support. Visit us at www.filingscorner.com to get started.